This is what is referred to as the fall. We disobeyed God and ate the forbidden fruit. From that time and on, sickness, death, and disease has entered the world, mutations building up every generation, leading slowly to man's demise. All the while, people blaming God for cancer, while it was man's rebellion that led to this. The universe and Earth itself began to decay, and within just 2,000 years after the fall of man, humanity had turned so corrupt and so wicked that God sent the flood as a judgment against us.